3 million students in the state go to a school in a district where they currently have to mask up. Now, we'll see if those two districts backtrack at all, but they're 2 of 11 across the state that have chosen to ignore the governor's orders. Some making the decision on the heels of a judge ruling on Friday that executive order is unlawful. So legally, can the state still strip funding even after that judge's ruling? 10 Tampa Bay's Shannon Clough spoke to public health and law expert Dr. Jay Wolfson for a sharper insight.
Letters leading to legal questions.
Stands right now. Can the state withhold the salaries in Hillsborough and Sarasota Counties of school board members and the superintendent?
Well, all of this is clearly going to be subject to litigation.
Commissioner Corcoran is threatening to withhold the salaries of all school board members in Hillsborough and Sarasota Counties. Jay Wolfson points out this is separate from the lawsuit Judge Cooper ruled on.
He did not address the police power of the Department of Education to go in and enforce that executive order.
The current lawsuit Judge Cooper ruled in favor of says the governor's ban on mandating masks violates Florida's constitution. Now, when we're talking about the Department of Education withholding funding for violating the governor's order, Wolfson says that would involve a new lawsuit.
That was not one of the issues that was determined at the circuit court level. There'll have to be an additional lawsuit by those individuals if they are affected. Now, he's threatening to do it. He hasn't done it yet.
In these letters to the superintendents in Sarasota and Hillsborough, Commissioner Corcoran is threatening funds, not taking.
If Mr. Corcoran does attempt to claw back monies, I expect that the local officials will immediately go to the courts and ask for a stay on that, an injunction prohibiting him from doing that. We don't know how the judges are going to react. We'll see as it goes.
Now, school boards are still waiting on Judge John Cooper to sign his decision against those blanket mask bans. Once that is official, districts should then be able to have some clarity on what happens next.